Today I'm traveling to La Paz, which is one of the major cities in Baja. So I'm coming back from Agua Verde. I've just enjoyed this awesome dirt road. I still have like 300 kilometers to do today, so it's a big day. But tomorrow it's even a bigger day, because tomorrow I'll be changing Chili's wheels. As you know, Chili's rear rim was cracked a while ago and I had it welded. The weld is it's holding up, but not for long probably. So she's very much overdue for new wheels, and they are very special wheels. I can't wait to see them. So you're about to find out what sort of wheels I managed to organize, because getting them to La Paz was sort of like mission impossible. But anyway, we made it, so I'm super excited. Let's head to La Paz. The road, the highway, I must say, the stretch of highway number 1, it was quite boring, so I didn't record much, but we are nearly in La Paz. Oh yes, we are. Go. I don't know, sometimes it's just so confusing who's first. Okay, here we go. We are somewhere, like we're supposed to be, like, I think here. This looks like a mechanic's place. Hola!
Hola! India?
Yes!
Hi.
Hi! You too, Darko, thank you so much!
Okay. You're ready for saying so?
Yes, I am excited! Here they are! Aren't they the best looking rims ever? And they are from... And I got some t-shirts too. WA USA, the way to go. What can I say? So these guys are from Orange County, from California. Basically, they assembled these wheels for me. So as you know, I had a problem with my rear rim. It cracked, so I had it welded, so therefore I need new rims. And for quite some time, I had a problem with my front hub. So that's why I'm changing whole wheels, not just rims. These are tubeless rims from Excel in silver color. I've chosen these colors because I think they're gonna match Chile perfectly. It's already dark. I'm here for quite some time now, and the reason for that is we had a problem. So we had a little problem. My rear rim is 18 and Chile had 17 inches tire on. I probably ordered 18. I just don't remember what I ordered, to be honest. So it is what it is. There was a bit of a drama. I was a little bit stressed out, but it's okay, we all made it. But we managed to find a second-hand tire, and that will get me by. I just only need it for a few days, because in a few days I will receive my new Bristol Adventure Cross tires on, so then I'll be able to put them on. But for now, I'll be traveling. I don't even know what the brand, but like it's just enough to go to Cabo and back. All right, are we all ready to see Chili's new wheels? Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Chile, show yourself. Ta-da! Hello, doggy. Do you like Chili's wheels? Yep, I like it too. I think Chile, you look fantastic. Anyone there? Hello? Am I too close? I'm leaving La Paz now, and I'll be heading south. Eventually, I would like to get to Cabar, which is the last destination, town on Baja Peninsula. But that's later. Today, we'll be camping somewhere on the beach at the Pacific Ocean. How's that for a plan? And if you wonder how hot it is, it's not too bad today. It's only 35 degrees, but humid, very humid. Now we are in Todos Santos. Just a second, I need to focus. Where are we going? Let's just go this way. This is a cool little town, hey? Well, so yes, apparently all this area, because we are at the Pacific Ocean now, so apparently all this area, it's a... Wait. We're supposed to go that way. It's a hotspot for surfers. So we're gonna go further south to the next town, and apparently, there is a beach where I will be able to camp. Dirt road. Nice. Woohoo! There's a lot of cool places here, like bars and accommodation and stuff. Supermarket, there you go. And haha, we are able to see the ocean, Chile. Okay. What do we do? Camping $10 US. Hello. Am I able to camp here?
No, not anymore.
Really? How come?
It's a private property.
And no one is charging $10? You're not allowed?
They're not charging anymore.
Yeah, fair enough. Well, that was unlucky. We can't. It would be a very beautiful spot, and apparently it's a very popular beach, but not anymore available to the public. Well, for now. This is the showers, welcome, camping zone, van, parking, skate, ramps, showers, Wi-Fi. This is us, Chile. Mission impossible of the day is completed. I'm able to camp in this place. Imagine that. Whew. I try like 3 places. Everywhere you go, it's just like nice accommodation or RV parks, and they don't let you stay with a tent. Strange, sad, but true. But this place is awesome. Let me show you around. This is Chile, standing proud. She's the best, everyone knows that. And here, this is the kitchen. See, I even have a fridge and all. Here we have a bathroom. Perfecto. I'm so organized. Lunch, pasta. And look what I found in my pannier. Hot chilies from New Mexico. I've been traveling with them for quite some time. I was saving them for the right moment. And I think today is the day. We'll go with tomato, and garlic and onion. Let's mix it all together. Oh, that's a lot of food. Yes, it's ready. Jesus, hi. So I've decided to have my dinner under this beautiful mango tree. I was hoping to have some shade, but it's not gonna happen. That's okay, it's not too hot anymore. It is evening. This is so delicious, so simple and so delicious. I was saving this little can of hot chilies for so long, and today was the day when I'm eating it. So I came up with this wonderful idea. How about I camp? Well, I set up my tent on the skate ramp. Like, I've never slept on a skate ramp before, so why not? Here we go. And voila. This is it. We're doing it. Good morning. I think it's time to get up. Hi. I'm here, still on the skate ramp. That was something else, I say. I saw some shooting stars. It was great. Okay. Hi, world. I'm up. Yeah, so today's plan. Sorry, I'm just I don't think I've woken up yet. So the plan for today is, what is the plan? We're going to the sorry, I haven't woken up yet. Right, wake up. Today's plan is to go to Cabo. So today we'll be reaching the very end of Baja Peninsula, and this is also a junction of Pacific Ocean and the Sea of Cortez. Big milestone, big milestone. Oh my God, Kinga, get motivated. Come on, we have to go. Back up. Only 66 kilometers away from Cabo, so we'll be there in no time. This is the highway. That's it. End of the story. Welcome to Cabo. This is the end of Baja. I still don't know if line filtering is legal in Mexico. I know a lot of people do it, but I do not know if it's legal, and I would do it too if the cops were in here. Let's behave, Chile, for once. It's hot, 35 degrees and humid. Let's just do a little spin around town. See what's in the area. Yeah, but it's not very crowded. Actually, it's not crowded at all just yet. It's coming. Give it 2 weeks and everyone will be here. I'm not sure where I am. I was just like wandering around. This looks like a nice popular beach. A cruise ship here. Here we have Marina with the flashy boats. I left my hotel room and I'm walking, and you know me, this doesn't happen often, but there's one restaurant I want to check out. Marco has recommended to me. Apparently the food is good and it's in a beautiful location, so I'm just walking there now. getting closer. Oh, it's a very cute little corner of town. Ooh, I think I should come back here with Chile to take a picture next to Cabo sign. And this is the office. This is where we're supposed to eat. Hello. Peaceful sleep from Africa. It's just a mozzie repellent, but it's so great because it's so small, packs to nothing, and you just like apply it like that. It's nearly done, nearly finished. I'm gonna miss you. Whoever's in Africa, if you wish to send me supplies, you know where to find me.